there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to set up your TikTok account from scratch to a looking pro like one. Without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. First thing to do when you set up your profile is to add in your own profile photo or video, which should be yours, so that the new account you just created looks more authentic. Open our TikTok application. On the bottom right corner of your phone, you can see the profile button. Just tap on it. After that, you can see your profile, and to edit it, now you can see the edit profile button over here. Let's edit your profile. Let's change our photo, which I will be putting my own, since I want to make this account also a hyped up one. Let's select from my gallery. Okay, let's just hit this one and let's confirm, and let's save it. There you go, guys. The first thing in our list has been done. We have successfully changed our photo to a more looking awesome one. My god, do I look handsome. Secondly, a username can use to find or tag you, so choose a easy username. You can see the username I have just written mnails821. Let's make it a more simple one. Okay, I'm Sudain 321 should be okay. Since my name is Sudain, and anybody who are willing to tag me or find me on TikTok, they can easily find me with my name, and it shall be good. And let's just save it, and let's set username. And there is a warning, it's saying you can change the username once every 30 days. Therefore, you can change it after 30 days if you don't like one. So let's set the username for now, and it's done. Third one is to link your other social media accounts like Instagram and YouTube, and you can go here and you can see the social, Instagram and the YouTube options over here. Just click on them and you can directly continue with Facebook, or just log in using your Instagram account credentials. After that, for the YouTube, do the same thing. Just tap on it like this, and it will take you to your account which you have used to create a YouTube channel. So it's this easy to link your other social media accounts in your TikTok. Now, fourth one is to change the language preferences, and to do that, it's very easy. And if you are currently using your English language, you don't need to change your language preferences. But in any case, if you do want to change the language preferences, you can do it by following these steps. Let's go. On the top right corner of the phone, you can see the three-line icon. Tap there, and you can see the settings and privacy. Click here, and after that you can see the app language over here. Currently it's English, and you can change it to a bunch of other language, and currently I'll be using English since it's the best one for me. That's it, guys. This is how you set up a TikTok profile completely for a personal use. And there are many things still needs to be done if you want to set up a profile for a business account. But in order to set up a profile for a personal account, these are the things you need to do. And you need to add your bio, and a profile photo has been done, but you need to add your bio, and let's add it. And for that, your bio will be your own doing, and whatever you want to write or show yourself into the social media account, however you like, this will be on you. I won't be doing this, but I am telling you to do this because completing a bio is also a crucial part for your TikTok account. And there you have, guys. Setting up a TikTok account from a scratch to a hyped one is this easy. And if you have any communications that you need to make me, or any questions you want to ask me, just don't feel hesitated, or don't hesitate yourself to ask anything in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching.